Hey guys, we are Hectex and welcome back to our channel. This is our second part of the basic commands of Kali Linux. We have already covered most commands in our first video, so if you guys want to learn them, then please do check the first part of the video. I will be giving the link in the description below. So let's start our video with our first command, which is cat. The cat command is used to display the text content of the file. Here I am using this file for an example. As you can see the content of the file, please note hi, welcome to the Hectex. Now you see, so as you can see both the content of the file are same. You can also cat the image files, but it will show you in text. Now moving to our next command, echo. If you want to create a new file or add something into a file, you can use echo. To create a new file, type echo, text you want in that file, greater than sign, and the file name, whatever you want to give. So as you can see, the new file has been created. This can be used in both replace and create method. Let's say if you want to replace any file with your text, then you can use this same command, but instead of giving the new name, give the name of the targeted file. I will show you how. So I done, so just check. Yes, so as you can see the text has been replaced. Now let's say you want to add something in this file or any file, then type echo the text you want to add. Here I am adding hello again, then the greater than sign twice, means 2 times you have to put, and the name of the targeted file, as you can see. Okay, now let's cat the file again to see whether it worked or not. So as you can see the text has been added successfully. Now let's move to the big one, which is nano command. Using nano we can do lots of stuff that it deserves a video on its own, but for now I will show you how to create and edit file using nano. To create a file, just type nano and hit enter, and then write the content you want. Here I am writing so as you can see I am editing as example content. And to save the file, press Ctrl X. It will ask you to save modified buffer. Press Y for yes, then give the name of the file. Here I am giving new one.txt and hit enter. It can be anything like .txt or .py or any other. As you can see the new one file has been created. So guys, we up till now we have done with some of the basic commands which are frequently used, but I am showing you some more commands which are not frequently used but are quite helpful. So we have now history command. It will show you all the list of commands which have previously used. These are all my previously used commands. Now moving to our next command, which is help. This command works as it sounds. Example, type help. It will show you all the list of commands with the use. As you can see there are many commands with their use, explaining with their use. You can also type any command and use --help to get help. As you can see ls -help. So it will show you the properties of the ls command and various attributes of it. Our third command is what is. As it says, it will give you information of any command. For example, what is ls? So it will show you what is ls. It mentions list directory contents. And our last command of the video is exit. Just type it and you will get it. So guys, if you found this video informational, please do like, share and subscribe and be a part of Hectex. Thank you for watching Hectivix.